Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Empress and the Nine of Wands. Six of Swords and the Fool. The King of Swords and the Four of Cups. Ten of Pentacles and the Four of Wands. Grabe mga twin flame energy ngayon ha. Okay, the High Priestess bottom card natin. Ako. Okay, so mukhang after ka itakwil, i-reject, tanggihan ng iyong twin flame, mukhang ayan na, malapit na naman tayo sa mga union of hearts energy with your twin flame. And, kung if you're dealing with a twin flame. So, may mga specific signs tayo dito ng Libra, Aries, and Pisces. So, tingnan natin. Mukhang marami yung magkakaroon ng union of hearts. Pero, yung mukhang magpaparamdam na yan sila eh. Kumbaga, kung hindi man sila babalik, magpaparamdam na yan sila. Lalo na at maraming ganap ngayong ngayong March. No? So, tingnan natin. Marami rin mga magpaparamdam, magbabalik, balik loob. So, we have here coins. Ayan na, oh. Energy na naman ng karmic cycle. So, maaaring with this 10 of Pentacles natin, ayan ay matapos na or natapos na. So, we also have here open book. Fish. Snake. Ayan, no. Talaga lang, no. With the snake card, lakas ng karmic energy dito. Mirror. And coffee. Okay, medication bottom card natin. So, kung ikaw ay galing sa healing process with your twin flame or ikaw ay natapos na sa iyong karmic cycle, sa mga karmic lessons mo, ayan, so congratulations kasi maring malapit ka ng graduate at ma-meet ang iyong twin flame sa inyong union of hearts. Ito na ang kukumpleto sa iyo. I watch you from afar. I love your humor. Okay. I want to protect you. So, gusto kanyang protektahan na this time, lalo na at inaatake ka ng mga negative energies ngayon kasi talagang favorite atakihin ng mga spiritually guided connection ng mga ganyang negativity. Lalo na yan with the snake card, coins, nako. Kailangan yung magtulong na dalawa for your protection. So, we have here, I'm a liar. Yan, with the energy ng karmic. Can't sleep thinking of you all night long. I'm isolating myself to reflect. It's a disaster. Money is important. Bottom card. So, let's see more sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. I wish things could be different. I lost myself for a little while. Finding out the truth crushed me. So, ayan, yung naglabasan na yung mga totoo. Nawala na yung mga illusion. I wonder if you're happy without me. I left and I saw you with someone. Ay nga, with the karmic energy. It's time for me to heal now. Ayan, kailangan nyo na mag-heal from that karmic energy. And I know that I crossed the line with you. I will wait for a sign from you. So, muna naghihintayin lang kayo ng mga signal, signs. So, you and I were too young. So, mali nagkakilala kayo, yan, masyado pa kayong bata for this or para sa seryosohan. So, tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng message galing sa Archangels. Kung nag-flip ay, wow, brilliant idea. So, by Archangel Uriel, yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. So, this is divinely guided connection talaga. No, ang lakas ng energy nyo, parang divine counterpart kayo. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng initials. So, kaya kahit kung nagkaroon man kayo ng separation, kailangan nyo talagang pagdaanan yun para i-work out yung mga pangyayari, yung mga dapat nyo pagdaanan. L, B, U, Z, I, E, N, H, J, K, F, letter A, bottom card. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng blue card natin. Another mirroring. Ayan o. Talagang mirror souls kayo eh. And deception. And pero, ayan, dahil sa karmic energy, ang lakas ng karmic energy dito eh. So, mukhang nawala na tong illusion na ginawa ng karmic dito. Ayan. And true love. Wow. Pagka love wins. 'Di ba? So, napakasarap na pakiramdam ng ganun. Love wins. And natalo niya yung mga kontrabida. Oh, 'di ba? So, let's see sa ating general signs and the messages. So, we have here selfie-holic, Sagittarius, and travel. Kind-hearted, and September. Number 8, coins is earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, ex-lover, smart. So, kung yung mga naging long distance situation dyan, mukhang nagawa na ng paraan. Nature lover, very serious. January. So, ayan o, yung mga energy ng karmic. Cold city. Flower farm, Aquarius. 9, trustworthy. 1 is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ayan, another, ayun no, twin flames. Ang lakas ng twin flame energy natin. Summer, shy at first. March, amazing. Perfect smile, Virgo, and food lover. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care, and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.